Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is sponsored by Otre and I'll be featuring their X-Pression Twisted Up Springy Afro Twist. And for this hair guys, I have it in the color 2T1B/27 and I started out with using 5 packs of this hair, and for this entire hairstyle I ended up using like 4.5. I still had hair left over. This hair is 100% Kinky. It's flame retardant, it's pre-separated and pre-fluffed. It's very lightweight guys, and it's really good for type 4 hair. Like, this hair mimics or natural hair texture, and I really love that about this hair. I have used this hair before. If you haven't seen my passion twist for 4C hair tutorial, you can definitely check that out. I'll leave that somewhere on the screen or down in the description bar below. Guys, this hair is very like natural looking. That's all I can say to explain it. Like, usually when I do braids on my hair, the braiding hair, sometimes you'd see my natural hair sticking out or showing like different than the braiding hair. With this hair, I don't have that problem because of how the texture is and how this hair was developed. It's really ideal for type 4 hair. And guys, today's tutorial I'll be doing some twists. It's not passion twist because the last time I did this same style with this hair, not this same style, the last time I did a style with this hair, it was to mimic passion twist, because you know, for passion twist you do the twist and the pull up method all the way through, so that gives you like the curls and the little crinkly effect that passion twist has. But for this style, I'm literally just doing some twists. I believe these are kinky twists because it's very basic. It's not anything like out of the ordinary. It's just like literal twist like for your natural hair, and this style is a good protective style. It'll last you really long, and even when it gets like old, it'll still look good because it has that natural flair. And for the hair itself, I'm parting my hair into 3 sections guys. I split my hair in half and then I split it in 2 at the top, and then for the back section I went ahead and I created some rows. I created 6 rows. It's easier for me when I pre-separate my hair. Pre-section my hair, it's pretty easy. And for the twist, I'm gonna go in with 2 pieces of the hair. I'm going to open them up and stretch them out, and then I'll take the ends of both, maybe like a inch down on each section of the hair, and then I will create a twist with the hair, so then it'll elongate the hair and I will get like the full 24 inches out of this hair, and maybe longer because I will stretch it out because I want these twists to be really long. So doing it this way guys, it really elongates the hair versus how you would take one section and fold it in half, so the hair would be shorter. And because I only have the 24-inch on hand, I did this method to get the longest possible twist. And then when I take the 2 section guys, I split my hair into 3 and attach the 2 outer sections of my hair to the twist, and then use the middle section of my hair to the braid, and then I start braiding. And after I get maybe quarter to like halfway down my hair, I start twisting. I really hope that made sense, but that's literally all I do. And then I just twist all the way down to the end. Very normal, not doing a rope twist, not doing any like specific twist, just like twisting. And once I get like to the end where I can't twist the hair anymore, I put the hair like between my teeth and I finish twisting the hair out. It's like pretty simple guys, and that's what the back looks like after I got done with the back. And guys, because I didn't want that much tension on my hair for this style, I didn't do the rubber band method. I usually do the rubber band method because it makes it easier to grip your hair, but I wanted less tension on my roots, so I did this method, and that's what the hair looks like after I completed like the other section. And now I'm going to show you again how I get the twist done. You're gonna take one section, pull it apart, stretch it, pull the second section apart, stretch it, put the twist together, maybe like half an inch down or an inch down, and twist it so the twist join as one, and then you're gonna go in and separate your hair into 3 sections. Use your hair as a third piece, and then you're gonna start braiding, and then you're going to braid until the hair feels secure, maybe like halfway down your hair, and then you're going to start twisting. That's basically what I do. I really hope my explanation makes sense to you guys. If you didn't get it based on how I explained it, just keep on watching and you'll see how I do the twist, how I start it, and how I finish it. And guys, once you get to a section, like once you get further down the braid and you can't twist it properly, my way is just adding it between my teeth so I can stretch the hair without causing tension on my root, and I can finish the twist. Going to keep repeating this until I get all my twists together, so just keep on watching so you can see how I do the twist. Using Shine Jam to help with my parting as well as to make my twist as neat as possible. And another way how you could do is after locking the hair together, guys, you could use the shorter pieces to make that third piece, and you could start your braid. If you can't braid, guys, you can definitely start twisting from the root, or if you have a hard time like grabbing your hair or gripping the hair, you could add a rubber band and do the rubber band method. This will be easier for you. And I know I'm gonna get asked in the comments how many braids I have. I really didn't count this time, guys, but I think I have maybe 50 or 50 something braids in my hair. I really didn't count. These aren't like jumbo, they're sort of like medium size, but I didn't count. So yeah, and we're finally like on the last one, and I'm just doing the same thing that I did to the entire hair. And afterwards, I'm gonna go in with some hair mousse, and I'm going to use that just to ease the tension on my scalp as well as to smooth any like flyaways. And you can get a scissors and trim the hair accordingly if you have any little flyaways or any extra hairs that don't need to be there, as well as if you want to trim the ends of the hair. I really didn't trim the ends, I just kind of allowed it to do its thing by itself. However, it felt like everything is almost on the same level. And yeah, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna do my edges. And also, guys, I added moisture to my scalp after the fact. I went in with my wild growth oil that I usually use, and also I went in with the Miracle Drops from Kaleidoscope. I use that on my edges, so I went in with that and I added moisture. So be sure to like moisturize your scalp once you're done doing this style. Definitely when you keep your hair in a protective style, give it moisture, guys. Be sure to oil your scalp, it's really important. But yeah, that's basically what the hair is looking like. If you like this tutorial, be sure to like, leave me a comment, be sure to leave me a like, and be sure to subscribe. All the information about this hair will be down in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching yet another one of my tutorials, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.